Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a beautiful bench from scratch. And we're staining it with unicorn spit in a ton of different colors. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a unicorn spit bench. Unicorn spit comes in a ton of different colors, and they also have a sparkling version. I'm going to leave a link below in the description where you can check it out. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.